Torrential slide value equivalent to $38.9426 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $37.5545, $39.2938. The earlier day close: $38.5408. The change was plus 0.4018, plus 1.04%. Converse rate: United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, and 2028. Torrential slide cost forecast for January 2024. Before all else cost at $38.94. Excessive cost $47.67, while low cost $32.21. The normal for the month $38.36. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $34.63, change for January 11.1%. Torrential slide figure for February 2024. Initially cost at $34.63. Excessive cost $39.62, while low cost $28.96. The normal for the month $33.50. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $31.14, change for February 10.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at $31.14. Excessive cost $38.65, while low cost $31.14. The normal for the month $34.26. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $36.12, change for spring 16.0%. Torrential slide gauge for April 2024. In the first place cost at $36.12. Exorbitant cost $44.83, while low cost $36.12. The normal for the month $39.74. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $41.90, change for April 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $41.90. Exorbitant cost $52.00, while low cost $41.90. The normal for the month $46.10. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $48.60, change for May 16.0%. Torrential slide estimate for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $48.60. Exorbitant cost $52.97, while low cost $46.04. The normal for the month $49.28. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $49.50, change for June 1.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place cost at $49.50. Exorbitant cost $55.08, while low cost $47.88. The normal for the month $50.99. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $51.48, change for July 4.0%. Torrential slide conjecture for August 2024. Before all else cost at $51.48. Excessive cost $55.31, while low cost $48.07. The normal for the month $51.64. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $51.69, change for August 0.4%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at $51.69. Excessive cost $56.38, while low cost $49.00. The normal for the month $52.44. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $52.69, change for September 1.9%. Torrential slide gauge for October 2024. To start with cost at $52.69. Exorbitant cost $58.64, while low cost $50.96. The normal for the month $54.27. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $54.80, change for October 4.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at $54.80. Exorbitant cost $59.15, while low cost $51.41. The normal for the month $55.16. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $55.28, change for November 0.9%. Torrential slide gauge for December 2024. In the first place cost at $55.28. Exorbitant cost $61.44, while low cost $53.40. The normal for the month $56.89. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $57.42, change for December 3.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2025. Before all else cost at $57.42. Excessive cost $63.48, while low cost $55.18. The normal for the month $58.85. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $59.33, change for January 3.3%. Torrential slide estimate for February 2025. First and foremost cost at $59.33. Exorbitant cost $73.64, while low cost $59.33. The normal for the month $65.28. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $68.82, change for February 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WALK 2025. To start with cost at $68.82. Exorbitant cost $76.58, while low cost $66.56. The normal for the month $70.88. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $71.57, change for spring 4.0%. Torrential slide figure for April 2025. Initially cost at $71.57. Excessive cost $79.64, while low cost $69.22. The normal for the month $73.72. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $74.43, change for April 4.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at $74.43. Excessive cost $89.27, while low cost $74.43. The normal for the month $80.39. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $83.43, change for May 12.1%. Torrential slide gauge for June 2025. To start with cost at $83.43. Exorbitant cost $83.43, while low cost $69.73. The normal for the month $77.89. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $74.98, change for June 10.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2025. Before all else cost at $74.98. Excessive cost $74.98, while low cost $58.57. The normal for the month $67.88. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $62.98, change for July 16.0%. Torrential slide figure for August 2025. Initially cost at $62.98. Excessive costs